Hi, this is amazing Ken. Today I will share with you a PowerQuery. Like are you seeing here? So we have the two cell. One cell is come with three lines and it has a line fit in each of the new line, right? Within the same cell. And how to split it into a three column or maybe four. Now then next is that here we have this total and I have to split into its equivalence column, right? You can copy and paste this, right? If you only have four sections, but you have more, right? Then let's head to this, right? First, we'll turn this into a Power Query, right? So I'll just go straight to that. So basically, I have all these steps here, right? So right from the stars, and here, I just close this. I do a filter to remove all the space, all this, all that's now space, right? Do a filter. After that, I add an index, and after that, I add a custom. Right, like an index, I add a custom column, right? A custom steps, which is this one. All right, adding an index column one from the index. So add an index. Okay. So basically, this one can tell you the value from the next row yeah, this is the thing, right? And then click OK. After that, I'll remove the alternate rows, right? To remove the alternate rows, right, we use 2 1 1. So we start from the row 2 and remove one row, then keep one row, remove one row, then keep one row, right? And next, splitting the column by delimiter, right, for that total column, right? And then we have change type, right, and remove a column. Then we split it, and again we have this remove column. So to remove column steps are really just adding. Sorry, this one. Right? This one, right, is really using this split text by delimiters and so on. Yeah, and that finally great done. So how do we start that? Let's just close all this. Okay, we have a source, right? So first step, we remove the now. See, remove now step, and after that, go to add. We choose a index column. We choose from one, and then next is that we will have a custom column to get the. Okay, so once we done that, click on custom column. So want to add steps. Okay, and we click column one followed by the index. So the index is one, right? So but it gets something from this column one, right? Some row value from this column one. So you got it, right? So you move this over here. See that? And this one over here. Okay, so what's the next step is that I want to remove this row because we have now done with these two. Now this row can be removed, this row can be removed. So how do we remove this alternate row, right? Is that we go to the home tab, remove alternate rows. So first row to remove, start from row 2, right? Not row 1 because we want to keep that. And then we keep one row. We remove one row, right? Start from row 1 and then we keep one row. And then we remove one row and keep one row, remove one row. So that's it. So split column limited, and we type the custom type LF line fit close parenthesis. Here I type for row. Here we got none. Okay, So we're gonna split this into 4 columns, right? Because some has 3, some have 4 lines, right? So I take the highest one. So click OK, and it does not work, right? No problem. Go back to this step here, change this, remove one of that. Okay, and then click this button, enter. It works. So you can do the same for this, right? We're gonna split this based on this um, value here, RM, right? So split column by delimited. Sorry, right? Just come back here, right? So over here, click split by delimited, and we use custom, and we type RM and click OK. So finally, we remove this 2 column. That's it, right? That's how you use the split column line fit, and also most important is this steps, right? It's called the where is it? This one, right? Added an index on the column, right? For based on the last steps, okay, we added this index call. We grab this value into the next the line before it, right? So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new. Remember, you just have to try and do your own research, and you come up with your own solution. Thank you.